Friends, you will be fine. Again, I came in front of you, and today I will tell something. And whatever will be topic, I am not saying that. In whatever will become a minds, I will speak. Today, I am saying you what is clear the mind. Yeah. What is clear the cunning boy. You completed any degree, and you are doing business, and you have lot of degree, high level degree. You have done B.Ed, M.A. in whatever, but your monthly income is coming 5,000, 10,000. What I am saying, please listen. Your monthly income is coming 10,000, 5,000, but your degree is high level. But you have no mind. What kind of we should earn money in these things? You have no mind. When you earn lot of money, someone see you, yeah, he is intelligent man. He is intelligent man because he is earning lot of money. So he has more mind. He has high level mind. He is called mastermind in like this. So because he is earning 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh earning monthly. But why are you not earning money? You and he, what is different? He has 2 leg, he has 2 hand, he has 1 mind, he has 2 eye. Same things you have also, but why are you not earning money? And you will say, his grandfather was richest man. You will say, his grandfather was richest man, so he is earning money, and in like this you don't flow, you don't make flow. Now what should I do? Friends, what I am saying, please you listen. What should I do in this local area? Especially in city area, all of us, most of the you will get busy. Yeah, they lives busy. But in local area, in someone is earning money, we think what kind of his leg will drag. This is valiance thing. This is valiance matter. In these things is big matter. We should not do like this. And now we will think that he is earning money. How is he earning money? And please, you go to him and you can ask him, please, you give me something knowledge. I am not saying I have more knowledge and I am not earning lot of money, but I am trying in what is my mission. First of all, I want to complete that. After that, I will think other thing. So friends, today I want to say you, please, you don't drag leg any people's. Friends, in now my translate is happening mistake. So friends, in this translate you don't take, because any translate I am speaking mistake, because I am learning now, so can be mistake, friends. So any times I spoke you that for that again by again we want to apologize.